My name is Bob Swanson from Phoenix, and I'm wondering what are the advantages of investing in Berkshire Hathaway as opposed to investing in the stocks that Berkshire owns?
Well, a lot of people do one or the other, and some people do both, but you have to really make up your own mind on that. We're not going to go to great lengths to tell you about everything that Berkshire is doing as we go along, and there could be some changes, and there will be things that can happen in Berkshire that I think you would have trouble duplicating elsewhere. But on the other hand, if you'd put all your money in Coca-Cola some years back, you might have done better than if you put in Berkshire. So we really make no recommendation to what people do with their money. We do not seek to become investment advisors through, in effect, our portfolio actions at Berkshire. Charlie?
Basically, we hate it when people follow us around buying what we buy.
Nothing personal.
No. By the way, the questioner before this last one asked, what is the market value under the hammer of all Berkshire's operating subsidiaries? And the answer is, you have to figure that out yourself.
Mr. Nice Guy. But we give you the information, incidentally, where your judgment on that should be about as good as ours. There's nothing mysterious about valuing the Buffalo News or See's Candy or Flight Safety or Dairy Queen. So you really have the same information we have in that. I mean, if there's material information that we aren't giving you about any important Berkshire subsidiary, we'd like to give it to you because we think you are entitled to have the information that enables you to value the various pieces. Because of the aggregate size of Berkshire now in terms of market capitalization and some of the positions we own, the smaller subsidiaries really cannot have that much effect. We love them just as much. I enjoy all of the businesses we're in, and I enjoy the people that run them. So we don't we don't differentiate in our attitude within the company, but in terms of the actual impact on the valuation of Berkshire, there are a number that really they just don't make that much difference in terms of figuring out whether Berkshire's worth X or X minus 1,000 or plus 1,000, because 1,000 now is over $1 billion in terms of valuation. $1 billion is still a lot of money. Area 8, please.